still has a lot of opportunities for first-time home buyers looking for affordable homes and favorable financing to get into a home. Happy Ground Hog Day. It's Friday, February 2nd, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Homes for sale on the shore can be purchased for less than $300,000 for an actual freestanding detached home with a yard. With 282 available today, priced under the $300,000 mark, we are seeing more buyers shopping on the shore because they still can afford more for their money. Overall, there are 1,291 homes for sale, reflecting fewer this week. 79 properties are coming soon, just a smidge up this report. 148 came to the market since last week, just a few more. 74 went under contract, falling this week. 75 moved to pending, up this report. 103 sold at 97.7% list to sold ratio, and days before contract are now up to 26 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Easton for $3,750,000. There are 122 rentals available for lease on the shore at $2,185 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, February 2nd, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.